guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So this is Gaby.
Hello.
Gaby G, formerly known as Native Youth. She's my cousin.
Fam.
She's the fam.
True blood.
So in today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me, but it's going to be with a twist. We are going to add karaoke. So kind of like carpool karaoke, but like get ready with me karaoke. Yes. So we're just going to be doing our makeup and then we're going to be playing some songs, some fun songs. I'm feeling like a 90s vibe.
Yeah.
Feeling it?
It's my era, girl. It's more your era than mine, but
it is. But you were like...
You like raised me.
So we're just going to start off with the makeup. Do you use primer? This is primer.
I do.
So we're going to prime the skin. I'm using some NYX. Oh, by the way, we're drinking some wine.
Cheers.
For some liquid courage. Well, let me tell you a little bit about Gaby, since you guys don't really know her on my channel. She's my cousin, and
I do the music.
Yes, she does music. When we were little, actually, if you guys don't know, I'm sure nobody knows, this channel used to be like a music channel, and we used to do like covers. Gaby like used to play guitar, or plays guitar. Yeah, play guitar. And she would like, I would tell her to learn a song, and then we would just like sing it, and I would videotape it and put it up on this channel. Those videos are all gone now, but I might insert a clip.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang, 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 boy. You're going down, 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 boy. To the ground where you left my heart to bleed. Bang, she shot you, so.
But yeah, we were like, you know,
remember
pretty
we
good.
filmed like in the middle of Thanksgiving? We stopped. We're like, let's go record a cover.
But yeah, so Gaby is doing it in the music thing. She has...
We switched on singing.
Yes. I used to like be the singer and Gaby was like guitar, but she always loved music. And then like she switched. I obviously didn't go that route. And she just pursued it, and she's doing so good, and she like writes her stuff, and and it's good. It's like R&B, like sexy stuff, you know. I use her music on my channel.
Audience only.
I use her music on my channel all the time, like in like little montages. My background music is her music. Like I just use her stuff all the time.
I score them.
Copyright. We can't get copyright strikes on YouTube.
No. It's right from the source. I approve of this.
I got permission.
I approve of this message.
She is on all like media outlets.
Spotify.
What is it?
Platform?
Yeah, media, like streaming platforms.
Or you can like buy a song, I guess, if you like,
want
to ball out.
But I have Apple Music, so I just stream her stuff on Apple Music. But if you have Spotify or Tidal or whatever,
everything, girl,
you can do it all. Gaby is, she's like not experienced in makeup at all.
This would be fun. I do my makeup super good though.
You do.
I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, you've gotten so much better. Like she never wore any kind of makeup at all. But you always go for like a natural vibe.
After I lived with Jessie, like during that summer, I was like, I would just like watch her do everything, and
at least you like attempted to learn, you know. So what song do you want to do first?
Oh my god, let's do Jonas Brothers song first.
A Jonas Brothers song?
Yeah. Made me my mom.
Told you amazing plans,
but you and me and no one else.
But don't include your crazy friends. Well, I'm done. We're talking situations, empty conversations. Ooh, this is an SOS. Don't want a second guess. This is the bottom line. It's true. I gave my all for you. Now my heart's in two, and I can't find the other half. It's like I'm walking on broken glass. Better believe I bled. It's a call I'll never get.
Next time I see you,
Giving you a high five. 'Cause hugs are overrated, just FYI. Ooh, this is an SOS. Don't want a second guess. This is the bottom line. It's true. I gave my all for you. Now my heart's in two. Yeah!
I find that if the music's on, I ain't doing no makeup.
I know it's so hard to like sing and like, or it's just because I think we're looking at the lyrics, even though we know the song.
I just get like slightly confused.
I know. It's just because we know it's there. I bet you if like we were listening to it with the word, we wouldn't like need the lyrics. But since it's like we know it's there, we just like rely on it. I don't know.
Ooh, bills. I don't really know that much. Oh yeah, bitch, I can sing this all day long. So, shameless plug. I have a cover to this song. It's also on Spotify and iTunes.
It is.
Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Every other day I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is a huh, you okay? Could you really do? Are at the crib with another lady? I am not the one to sit around and be played. Prove yourself to me. I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I think that I'm something. Sun's gone down, it's the way it seems. Should've been the reason why I act straight. Nobody's holding you back from me. I don't know how you usually do. When you saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? Somebody's there and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game.
That's a hit.
That is a mega hit. We haven't even been saying what we're using, but I use this like brown palette for eyeshadow that we got at a BoxyCharm. You want to do like any insane?
Yes! Oh.
Ooh, yeah. You might been hurt, ain't no lie. You know, walk up and go. Oh, I remember you told me that it made you believe in no man, no cry. Maybe that's why every little thing I do never seems enough for you. You don't wanna lose it again, but I'm not like them. Baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. There comes a day when I'll be the one who'll see. It's gonna. It's gonna be me.
So I do want to ask you some questions, like a little baby interview.
Let's do it. I love interview. I love talking about myself.
Well, I'm like not an experienced interviewer, but you know. So where do you get your inspiration for yourself?
I write what I know. Okay, I'll sit there and I'm like, alright, I'm gonna write a song right now. And I'll literally just like spit out like freestyle sense, just kind of like the first few lines. So it's like whatever is at the top of my head at the moment, some random thing. And then if it's like, if I can tie it to something, let's say it's like a love song, I would just grab from my own experiences, and that don't have to be like by the book, like everything's like, yeah, this is about this person this way and this way. No, but I'll like draw like influences, like sometimes I'll even like speak from another person's perspective of like a situation that I have been, you know.
That's really cool.
Or kind of like twist the story, like if I'm being the asshole, I'll be like, I'll write about me being the asshole, but from that person's perspective.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I give you major props, because writing songs is super hard. At least like for me, I was never able to like write anything.
It's hard to write a good song. I could write a bad song, I mean, like, or something like mediocre, you know, but to like get a hook that's like good and to have verses that are like good.
Yeah, I don't even think I can make a song at all. I don't know, I just feel like you have to be born with that talent to write, you know.
In Toxic by Britney Spears, I remember for a long time I thought that she says you're toxic, I'm slipping under. Yeah. And I thought she said you're toxic gums.
Slipping under?
I don't know. I don't even know what I thought. But I thought she said toxic gums or gums, and I was like, for years I sang it that way. And I had it written down like that in my notebook.
Speaking of getting these lyrics wrong, do you know Always Be My Baby by Mariah Carey? Okay, so forever I used to sing it, the part where it goes, Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. Oh, you're never gonna shame me. Oh, you'll always be my baby. Okay, it says time can't erase a feeling that's strong. I thought that bitch said time cannerism. Tell me what time cannerism is.
Sometimes I make up words and I'm just like, what? That's not even a word. I'm just like saying like little onomatopoeias to make it fit like what it sounds like.
Plug. She has a new song. And it's super bomb.
A new song. It's called Addict. It's with my friend Savannah. She's amazing. Super. It's like funny because she's like very traditional R&B, like soul, and like
she has
like an amazing voice. I love her. And I was like, I've been dying to do a song with her, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just send you something. And we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it, and we did it.
And it's bomb.
And I love it.
It's like definitely a summer jam. So you need to put it on your little Spotify playlist or whatever you guys use because it's good.
Look at the big brunch.
I'm not getting lip liner.
I feel I'm starting to change, trying to find my place, making me feel away. Cause I didn't sleep much last night, I'm flooded with thoughts, got up on my flight. I'm never gonna let you go this time, I wanna be the one to treat you right. And know that I will even in a fight, whenever you're done I'll be your peace of mind. So baby don't let me leave this time, baby don't let me leave, cause I won't let you go.
You guys have to know this song because it is in all of my videos. Oh, thank you.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah. Different city every night. Oh, I swear the world that I'll prepare when I'm a billionaire.
I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travis your wish list. I'd probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt. Adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had. Give away a free Mercedes that you already have this. And last but not least, find somebody they last with. Get a couple months and a bit single. So you can call me Gaby Claus, mine is a ho-ho.
Sorry guys, the lighting's off. My battery died and the sun was setting, so we had to rearrange the situation. Alright, I think it's time to set the face. I'm going to be using this Ofra setter, mixer, fixer, maker.
Indeed. Full disclosure, I've never used setting in my real life.
You don't set your face?
No.
Why?
What does that do?
It like locks in your makeup, makes everything like melt in, and then it claims to like extend the wear of your makeup.
Oh.
And this one just smells like a man. I love it.
It smells like a man. Yeah, it does smell good.
Right? Alright, let's send them off with one last jam.
I thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came around like he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. Well, you couldn't be that man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. No, I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. Conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am shamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn. Wow. Yes.
Sounds like karaoke song 101.
That is the jam. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy karaoke get ready with me. Honestly, we didn't have a plan. We just winged it.
Yeah.
And just got ready. And I think it was pretty fun. I had fun.
I had a great time.
And I hope you guys enjoyed
Thanks,
these
Gaby.
looks. I know that we like didn't even explain, but it's kind of hard to do your makeup and sing karaoke. Right? It's like,
I was having a horrible time. I was like, I can't do one and then not the other. Like, the music was on and I was like, nah. And
it takes a special kind of person to be able to do that. Thank you, Gabby, for being on my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and go check out Gabby's music on all streaming platforms.
And do the same thing with my YouTube.
And subscribe, yes, to her YouTube channel. I'm going to link it down below, and I'm going to link her music down below, which I do in every video, but either way. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. See you next time. Bye guys. Yeah. Woo! I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Ese buenita de madre.
That was hard. Shout out Justin Timberlake and JC and
Lance Bass.
Lance Bass.
Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Bitty bitty bum bum. Bitty bitty bum bum. Bitty 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 bum bum.